Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband 2. For that, you need to go to the Piston app, click on your device icon in the top right corner, then go to device details. Now, when you click on reset and approve it, in a moment the device should start doing something. Yeah, now it's off. It can only be the device can only be reset if it is connected to the app. Now, once I reset it, you can see it automatically reconnects. So if you want to reset it and unpair it, you can click on reset first, then click on reset. The device should turn off. Yeah, and now click on Unpair once it's still booting. And now your device is reset. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.